Here's a 72 Ford Bronco. These are the hottest things going these days. Chances are, if you're watching this video, this may even already be sold, but go to volocars.com and see our complete inventory, and you never know, maybe it's still on there for sale. But it's a 72 Bronco with a 302 motor, power steering, power brakes, has the convertible top. It's professionally repainted in its original color. It's a really nice example of a Bronco. I like the fact that it's steering and brakes, makes it nice and easy to drive.